Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to be discussing about Oppo K5. Oppo K5 is an upcoming mid-range phone from Oppo. Oppo K5 is running on the Snapdragon 730G octa-core processor. It has up to 6GB of RAM. It comes with a 64 megapixel primary camera. It has quad camera setup. It has a 32 megapixel front camera. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery with VOOC 4.0 fast charging support. Oppo K5 has a 6.4 inches AMOLED display. The price of Oppo K5 is expected to be 18,990 rupees. The expected release date of Oppo K5 in India is the 26th of December 2019. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell. See you in the next video.